Hi guys, and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to insert your SIM card in Honor Magic 6 Lite. So here is my phone, and here I have the box. And first you need to look inside the box, because here we have a little pin, and with this one you will remove the SIM drive from your phone. Okay. Now let's go to my phone, and to remove the SIM tray you need to look into the bottom of your phone, and here is the SIM tray, and now just put this pin inside the hole here like this and push it. Now remove the SIM tray, and let's take a closer look to this slot, to this SIM tray. And here you can put two nano SIM cards, and let's put the first one. Here there is, and you need to put it like this. This is the right position, and now let's go on the back, and here you can put the second SIM like this, and this is the right position. And as you can see, the SIM card doesn't fall. Okay, and now let's go to my phone, and you need to put this SIM tray back, and this is the right position. Just put it here and push it like this, and that's all. And now, as you can see, I have a signal on this phone. Now to remove the SIM tray, again, put this pin inside the hole, push it, remove the slot, remove the SIM cards, and just put it back, and that's all. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.